This conference will now be recorded.
So how did it go? Like, did you manage to practice?
My release strategy is not working.
Oh, okay, no problem. Let's see. You want to fix that first?
Yeah. Do you want me to share?
Yeah, perfect.
Just a second. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can.
So I made minor modifications.
No problem.
Okay. So I added one characteristic for vendor.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And in additional data, this is the table name, right?
Paka.
And this is the field name I took. So if I go to the table,
CEKKO. Okay, let me try if I can get 100% screen. Okay, vendor account number is LIFNR.
which one?
Okay, what is the field? I mean, what is the condition that on which you want the release to be triggered?
So I was wanting that we put supplier as Krunal, right? So based on that, it should, if from that specific vendor, if we are taking or we are issuing a purchase order to that specific vendor, then it should trigger the release strategy.
Okay, that's just a plain condition. If it is from that vendor, it should trigger, correct? Okay, go to the release characteristic that you created. Okay, the field name is wrong. LIEF, that's not the field. LIFNR.
This one.
Yeah.
This one. So what is this one? Supplying vendor.
No, supplying vendor is something different. Don't take that. LIFNR is the vendor.
Okay, so if I try this,
You cannot change it, unfortunately. You have to create a new characteristic.
okay.
Just create one new. That's a vendor one. You can put it.
IFNR. Okay.
Yeah. Just in case if you want to limit this characteristic to be used only in release strategy, then you can put it in the restrictions.
Oh, here. Okay. Okay.
Put the as 032.
Okay. Restrictions 032. Okay. So,
Characteristic. Yeah, save it. Perfect.
Okay, so
No, it's the wrong transaction. It's a very old obsolete transaction. You have to put ME21 yen.
oh, okay.
Slash n.
Forgot the end. So the second problem here was if I put Krunal, this is fine. Okay, if you see in vendor, now it is taking twice. I don't know why.
No, that is description. Don't worry.
Okay,
That's just vendor ID and the description. Don't take it other way.
okay, cool. So this is fine. Okay, now it has triggered. Okay,
You go to ME29 yen.
where is the
No,
release?
it's not the P 125. 127, right?
Correct.
Otherwise, wait, hold on. Don't release it. The last one. I'll tell you one more transaction. Go to, this is ME29 yen, right? Let me say, put slash n ME29.
That's it.
No. Wait, let me recall the transaction. ME58. Type ME58. Yeah. This is no. Wait. I'm sorry. Yeah. Wait. Go to SP. ME58 is right. ME59. Try ME59.
59 only.
Yeah. Yeah. I want to refresh the transaction memory. Just in case if you want to release mass PO transactions and all, so you can use. Oh fuck! This is also not. Come back. Come back. Okay. Type a W10T so that you go to retail transaction menu. Okay. Okay. Now open logistics. Retailing. Purchasing. Purchase order. Purchase order. Click on. Shall I take the control? It's a bit very confusing.
Yeah, sure. Just how do I? Okay, stop sharing.
I think I can share my screen. Yeah.
I will just close from my side.
the spot. So what you can do now, you have 03. That release code is still not released, right? For that PO. So suppose whatever VP is trying to release, you can just put release code and the release group, and you can display. What was our document number?
127.
I don't think this is the transaction I forgot. I'll try to figure that out. Okay, I could not trigger it. So in this way, what we can do is, like, just in case if you want to form release mask transaction codes, you can do this.
Okay.
Just by satisfying what are all releases that are pending for BP, you can just click on this, and no, this is old decode. Let me check. ME59, what is that? ME29. I think 03. That is why it didn't come. You have not released for HOD.
No, I had released. It gave me 2 ticks. I don't know why.
Wait. 02. Okay, let's leave it. Let's not waste time. I'll try to figure that out. Okay. So otherwise, any other questions that you have regarding your previous classes?
Yes, for the sales pricing,
Yeah.
we had to set pricing for the pre-pack articles, right?
Yeah.
Through the transaction ME12 to
BKP5, right?
PKP5. No, not this, not this.
Oh,
We had to in the purchase info records, we had to add the prices for the articles, right?
correct. Okay. Me one, two.
Yeah. So if you yes, Kunal, if you go to article 30,
Okay.
yeah, ZK01.
Okay.
I don't know. It's not allowing me to enter the net price. Is there? This is where we should enter, right?
No. Now, if you want to enter the price, what you have to do is go to conditions.
Hmm.
Now you can enter the price because this info record was created for a certain period of time
Hmm.
that was already saved in the database. Now you are wanted to overwrite it. Now a new condition record will get created. So for that, what you need to do, you have to click on conditions and you have to determine from which day to which day. So that for this validity period, one new condition record will get created in the database table. So now if you want to give say like 50 rupees, save it. Okay. Now if you go back, this lock entry is killing. It has to process it. Okay, now it's clear. Now go to ME12, ME12. Okay. Now you press enter. Go to purchasing conditions. You will have this. Okay.
Okay. So every time we have to change for this particular info record, we have to change it in the conditions.
Correct.
Purchase
That's what
conditions.
you need to, because there is an info record. Say for instance, now there is an info record created with this number. Okay.
Hmm.
Period of this until from this date to until this date.
Hmm.
Now, if you wanted to create a new price, right, it will create a new condition record with its own validity period. So you will have to explicitly maintain from which day to which day and what is the price. So that system will create a new condition record.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay. So today I was planning to take you through retail promotions.
Mhm.
So it is very simple, but as far as retail is concerned, it is very simple and straightforward. But after that, more complex promotions and all those stuff, that is considering that now the promotion module itself is being taken as a separate, like IS retail, it has been, you have forecasting and replenishment. Likewise, you have promotion management retail, and you have a separate module for promotions itself, forecasting and replenishment and all those stuff. So it is like you can predict or forecast your sales, and based on that you can determine what is the best promotion that you can determine. So more complex algorithms you can bring in. Okay, but here in retail it is very simple and straightforward. Okay.
Okay, now I get it. I was just having a conversation yesterday with one of my colleagues about forecasting and replenishment. They were asking it is not in S4, something, a different module altogether. So now I get
Yeah.
it why it is there. Okay.
No, it is there. With the retail still you can do forecasting and replenishment.
But they were looking specifically for that.
You will not have this advanced this one algorithms. You will not have any advanced features of the way that you can do it in forecasting and replenishment. You cannot do it in
Hmm.
retail. It's very limited
Okay.
because you don't have this those data and all those stuff, right? So, and the algorithm is also not that developed. And you know, right? SAP will always wanted to, suppose they say a potential possibility, they will put it in a separate server and they'll try to sell it as a separate box. So that way they can gain revenue. So actually speaking, they could have developed in the same box itself, but they didn't do that way.
Okay.
So promotions, I think promotions is very straightforward. As the name says, it is just promoting a product. So it can be for two reasons, like either you are introducing a new product into the market, just to make sure that you familiarize that product into the market, and you wanted to make the customers have that initial look and feel, and after that, so that once the product becomes familiar, you actually, that is actually to initiate or boost the sale of the product when it is initially introduced into the market. And the other reason could be like it is a season rollover is coming. I mean, you are about to reach the end of the season, and probably you wanted to clear out your inventory. So at that point in time, you just roll up the promotions, and you just want to clear out your inventory out of your racks. So that could be two possible reasons, or anything for that matter. Okay, just in case you wanted. So when you create a promotion, it is always it is always necessary that you do not necessary and track that you do not lose your margins, right? So because you might have bought a product for 30 rupees and you are selling it for 100 rupees, so you have 70 rupees as a margin. But when you offer a promotion to the product, it should be in a fashion that it should not lose that margin. That is like you buy a product for 30 and you cannot offer the end customer a price of 30 rupees so that you don't get any margin. At least that you don't act. It's like you don't lose. But there are certain situations where merchandisers do not consider the cost. Or when I say cost, it is not only the procurement cost, but I'm talking about the landing cost. They have to include that as well, right? Like you buy the product, then you put the product in the warehouse, then you put the product back into the store. It is all holding cost is there, and the transportation surcharges and all those stuff. So everything put together, you arrive at the landing cost. So you will have to take that as well into the consideration, and the margin also should not be lost. So the maximum that you can give is a 10% discount so that you don't lose any revenue on your own. So for these, taking all these aspects into consideration, like in R3, it was like very out and out. You don't have any visualization of for any merchandisers or business to visualize and see that what is the landing cost and what is my margin and how much am I losing if I put this as a price and all those stuff that we were seeing it in the PKPY transaction itself, right? Similarly, for promotion also, it gives you a more flexibility and the visual representation of what is actually happening with that stock. Okay, and when coming back to retail, it's like in R3 it is very simple. You buy, like you raise a wholesale order, so it is like you have inclusive and exclusive discounts. Like you buy 100 rupees, I give an extra this product free, right? Or you buy 100 rupees, but I will bill you for 90 quantities only. So these are called exclusive and inclusive of discount, which we'll see here. But in case of retail, it is not that case. You have very complex promotions, like buy two get one free. Buy a total bill value of 5,000 rupees, I give you a 10% discount on this particular product. So these kind of promotions are called complex promotions, and they are called bonus buys, right?
Okay.
And similarly, you can retail, you handle a very high range of products, and you cannot simply say that this particular product I have to offer this discount, right? When it is an end of season sale, you will just say that, okay, buy any men wear, you get 10% discount, right? Buy any women wear, you get 20% discount. Buy a combination of men wear and one child wear, you get a 30% discount. So anything. So many forms of promotions that are existing in retail which can be handled, right? So there are two types, like as I said, this promotion management with which you can handle, and all this free goods. When I say it is like free goods, it's like exclusive or inclusive of discount. It could be, when I say inclusive, it is something whatever on what you order, you get the discount in that itself free. That is one example, is like you order 10 quantities, but you get billed only for 90, right? It is like that is called an inclusive discount. When I say exclusive discount, you order 100, but you get one product extra free. That is 101 one product you get, where that one product is extra free, right? So that's called the free goods. Bonus buy is what I call it as like complex promotions, like buy to get 150, buy a bill value, you get 10% discount on certain products, like, right? That's called banner bonus buy. All these free goods and everything, you can track it in the retail. within our SAP landscape box itself. You can achieve that with raising a sales order, right? And you can use that in the wholesale as well as in the retail. But as far as this bonus buys are all concerned, they are more created in SAP, but you cannot track if that discount is working or not. This is more dependent on the point of sale till systems, because you actually scan the products, right, in the point of sale systems, and that is where that system should be capable enough to interpret that bonus by XML messages that you send from your system. So actually in implementation, what happens is like the point of sale system, whatever you're using for that matter, it's whether it is a Beanstore or Fujitsu or Marker or Devold or Winco or anything for that matter, that point of sale system will have certain limitations, and they will come and clearly tell you our system will be able to handle only these kind of promotions, like buy to get one. Yes, we can handle. Buy a total bill value of 50 rupees and I'll get 1 rupee free. This discount we cannot handle because our system is not intelligent enough to retrieve. So the bonus by success of bonus by configuration is ultimately dependent on the point of sale system to interpret the message that we are sending. Okay, so that when I say interpret, that's when I say like buy 3 get 2 free from this group of products. So when I scan the product, system should read and understand, okay, customer has bought this only 2 products and the offer is eligible only if you get 3 products 2 free, right? So that way the system needs to interpret and identify that intelligence is completely dependent on the point of sale system.
Okay.
So
yeah,
that's something that it's a win-win situation kind of stuff. So I think I have explained everything. So promotion is like you actually offer to the customer in order to boost your product. When I say when the new product is introduced into the market, vendor itself can give you a promotion. Okay, I'm introducing a new product, I'm giving you that a promotion which you can offer it to the customer, and I will during this period of time. This is called vendor offered promotions. Right? You are not bearing where vendor itself is giving you promotion to promote his product.
Mhm.
So there are different types of process. Like it is like you can plan your promotions, right, during the sale period, and your merchandisers can fix a different promotional prices, and based on that promotion, you can actually distribute the products to different stores by use of allocation table, which we will see in the later stages. And when you create a follow-on documents, obviously the follow-on documents would be stock transport orders or the extra based on the product that you are planning to buy. If you don't have stock, you can raise a purchase order, then you bring it, then you do a goods receipt, then you do a final goods receipt at the store. That's how it goes. So these things we will see directly in the system. So promotion views, these are the screens, different screens in the retail transaction code. So when I say inclusive and exclusive, this is what I was talking about. Where you order a quantity, raise a PO of 10 quantities, you are delivered from the vendor for 10 quantities, but you are invoiced only for 8 pieces. So vendor offers you 10 quantities, 2 quantities free of what you order, and you are billed only for 8. Whereas exclusive, you order 4 packages, but you are delivered with 4 packages and 1 copy machine, but you are invoiced only for the 4 or what you ordered. That is only for 4 packages you are ordered. The vending coffee machine comes out absolutely or free. So coupons, and the one other complex form of promotion is coupons. Like coupons are gift cards, whatever you call. So this is something that you give it to the customer, and when he returns or when he come back for purchase, he actually redeem his coupons, right? So when he redeems his coupon, whatever the value of that coupons, it will get deducted, right? So that's called. So these coupons are normally created as a separate article itself, okay, with the article type coupon, okay. And you just maintain a basic view and you just list that coupon to that store and pause. But normally in retail, coupons or gift cards, they are not actually created as a in practical terms. Actually, you can handle it in 2 different ways. You can create an article, okay, and you can issue that as a coupon. But practically, if you think how many coupons you will issue to the customer, you cannot create that many articles, right? and it is just for a one-time purpose. It doesn't make actually it's not practically feasible to create for one-time usage an article, right? So after that, that article is going to be obsolete, right? So what normally we handle it is like we handle it with the condition types.
Okay.
So we create one service article or one article with coupon. Okay. Say for instance, whenever that article comes, we actually create a new direct discount condition type and we handle with that. So it is basically we handle with that kind of alternate approach. We don't create one coupon equal to one article.
Okay, one article, but repurpose it every time.
Yeah,
kind
it
of
is.
thing.
If it's a coupon, you will have a specific article ID, and if that article is there, you actually create a condition type for that. If this article is like, you scan a product, right? You buy 5 products, I scan it, and you give me a coupon. What I'll do, I'll enter the coupon automatically. In the front end, it will get detected. That's fine. But when the sale is you are taking the sale into you actually bring the message into ECC for processing the sales, right? At that point in time, system will read, okay, there is a coupon, okay, just bring this article and populate that in the sales order or in the article document. So based on that, if that article is present, automatically the condition type will populate with discount condition type. Based on that, we will accommodate.
Okay.
It is like an alternate approach of doing it rather than creating many things and all those things.
So is it similar kind of having an article with a negative price or something like that?
We actually speaking, you will not maintain a negative, but you will maintain a discount. It is like that coupon is like having 50 rupees, right? 50 rupees or something. Normally, what we will bring is like 50 rupees, this article with minus 50. You understand?
Okay.
So it is like it will detect in the sales price.
Okay.
This is called the bonus buy, which I was saying, speaking about. You can actually buy 2 and get 1 free, or buy a bill value. There are different types of coupons, bonus buys, which we can see it in the system directly. So promotion period, as I said, whenever you create a promotion price, automatically that also goes and stores in a condition type. The standard sales price goes and stores in the condition type called VKP0. When you create and save a promotion, it goes and stores in a condition type called VKA0. Okay. So these are the when you create a promotion, automatically you have to activate that promotion so that you create a promotion price, right? So normally, if you want to list it, you can do it. All these are option, but you need to activate that price. That is mandatory in order to make sure that this promotion is becoming active and new sales price is created, and that sales price is pushed to the front end system, which is the point of sale. Okay, so this is okay. So there are 2 types of when you activate the price, you should see if it is 2-step or 1-step, right? As I said, because if you don't have any transfer cost, you can just use the promotion purchasing price of vendor itself. If it is like when you transfer the products to DC, there is a transfer cost involved, then you have to include that as well as a purchasing cost, and based on that you have to define the sales price so that you don't lose the margin. Okay. So this is the notification. Once the promotion is created, you can send the intimation to the stores either via via EDI or via emails or whatever it is, whatever way you want it. Okay. So first is like what is the process of creating promotions, which we will see it in the system directly. Okay, I'll show you directly.
This becomes very relatable to daily activities. I mean, promotions and all.
Yeah, promotions is like basically if you are a grocery retailer, it would be a day in day out activity.
Yeah, even as a customer, I mean, it becomes very relatable what you were saying, the buy to get one and all those things. I mean,
No, that is what If you are a grocery retailer, this promotion is day in, day out activity. Like one or other stuff you will have. In case if you are a fashion retailer, during every season rollover, you will have this promotions created. So it is how frequent that you are getting promotions is based on the business that you are doing. Here it is the retail promotion. Okay. First is what are the promotion themes? What are the promotion themes you can actually create? Diwali Dhamaka, Pongal Bonanza, back to school promotions. Likewise, you actually create a concept, right, for your promotions. So those things you can define it here, just as a line. So when you push it, you can just based on this, you can do public relations and all. You can advertise and you can do that. Okay. That is the promotion type that you create. And promotion type, as I said, promotion type will determine what kind of promotion you are doing and all those stuffs. So see, this is the promotion type. Say for instance, company advertised promotion paper. So what is this? What promotion category? So when I create this promotion, should I create separate purchase price, separate sales price, separate sales purchase price for DC as well? If it is one step, I'll not create DC conditions. If it is two step, I'll create DC conditions, right? If it is not vendor offered promotions, I will not do anything. If it is just directly, I'm going to create a promotion where I have the stock, I'll just create sales price only, right? And price activation, whatever promotion that I'm doing it, at what level I need to activate, whether it is for a separate site or for group of sites or for a distribution chain, for entire online or for the entire wholesale, at what level I want to activate the sales price, right? And what level, how do I want to determine the purchase price? Is it same whether with the standard, if it is based on if it is a sale set, then I should determine the purchase price from the components, right? And should I take this or I'm going to use my own I'm going to manually enter the sales price, that is interactive entry and all those stuff, different steps. And suppose in case I wanted to create an allocation table and all those steps, then what kind of allocation table type? These things we will see when we see allocation table, I will relate it. Okay. Suppose in case I create a purchase price condition or a DC condition, at what condition type they should go and store all this. Okay. And when I create sales price, at what sales organization and distribution channel it should refer to, that thing. So now what we will do, we will create one new this one. So let's create ZK01. Okay. Promotion category, that's fine. We will create only sales price. Price activation type is at the sale and distribution chain level. We will create. Rest everything we will keep. Purchase price determination, sales price with standard with price determination. Okay. Then sales per organization is ZK01, right? ZR. Yeah, nothing more to say, but save it. Promotion type is also done. Now we'll go. So in the front end, how do you create a promotion? WK1. This is the transaction to create a promotion. Okay. So now whatever promotion type that we have used, I will give that ZK01. Now I'm going to create Ronald test promotion. Okay. Now brand currency is USD, right? On sale from which day I'm going to sell? I'm going to start it from Monday. Okay. Until like 3 days I'll hold it. Okay. So for this, when I have to raise the purchase order, if this is a sale, then I have to raise it today itself, right? So that I get the.
What is that second field?
If I wanted to create a sale from, I need to create sales order after that only, right?
Yeah.
Which article let's put? What is the article we have? Okay. So it brings what is the current sales price for this. Okay. Suppose I wanted to determine how many quantities that I'm going to plan. Suppose in case if it is a vendor offered promotions and all, you know what is the quantity that he is going to offer, right? And all those stuff you can give it here. So price planning. Suppose now what is the price that you want to determine for this during the promotion? Should that whatever if you know the absolute, you have the absolute price that in mind, then you can manually fill in the price here, like 10 rupees or 9 rupees, likewise.
That is sales quantity, no?
No, this is sales price, planned sales quantity. Sorry, here.
Okay. Overwrite.
Yeah, you have to give it here, just like this. So the standard sales price is 11, but you want to determine during the promotion period as 9 rupees. Now, logistic control. What is like if it is vendor offered promotion? You know, when is the vendor has given you the order date, and order from which day to which day you can do it. That you can give it here manually. And you wanted to tag this promotion to a theme, then you can give it here. You can just like teenage fashion. Okay, now you have to enter which side group. So if we created any side group, no, right? Okay, WB50, then click on 030, which is side group. Create. Side group. Just save it. Now you want to assign the sites in that. So go to WB56, click on site grouping. Okay. Now click on new assignments. I want to assign the plans. So ZST1. Do we have ZST2 as well?
No, we don't have.
Okay. Do one thing, if you can create one more store, that is better.
Okay.
Just create and add it here. Okay. Now create what is the Krunal, right? Okay. Now we have the site. Okay. Now go to sales price conditions. Free goods. Suppose in case you wanted to have any free goods, you can define it here. What if it is an inclusive or exclusive discount based on that? So you have coupons. If you want, you can add that coupon for this promotion, which are the coupons that are valid. So you have to enter manual article numbers here. If it is bonus buy, you will create and add it here. So I'll show you how to do that. So discount will say, like, for this promotion, you have certain merchandise category where you want to offer 10% discount by default. So what you can do, or you can manually give the article number that you have and give, like, you don't have the absolute discount, but you have, like, wait, let me save this first. So first I have created and saved it. So first promotion is created. Now go to change option, enter, come to discounts. Now you click on what is the okay, we have given material groups, we can select. This is fruits. So the entire for fruits, I want to give 10% discount. So for all the articles under fruits, you will get the discount as Okay, for cereals, all the articles I will give 5% discount. And for this article, I have given absolute discount of 9 rupees. Okay, so now this is where I create and save it. Now, if you want to create a bonus buy and add it here, what you need to do is go to what is the code for W B my one. It's a bonus buy transaction. Forgot. Wait. Just a minute, it's loading. BBK1. Okay, BBK1. So here you have different types of bonus buys. So whether a price relevant or absolute discount or percentage discount or free goods, right? So it is better this document will explain you what kind of promotion we are creating. So if it is a price discount, you can define what article and what is the percentage discount, right? Just in case you wanted to give buy 3 get 2 free. So in that sense, what you will do, you will get free goods. Okay. Now go on UI. Okay. Bonus buy free. Bonus free goods. Okay. Now you enter. Now what you will do? Execute. Now you want to define it as a sales org level, right? Sales or distribution channel level. Now you go in. Now what happens is, okay, now I wanted to create bonus buy, and this condition should be applied only once in the bill. If one time this condition is satisfied, you should not apply for the second time, right? So suppose buy 3 get 2 free, right? You buy 6 products, it should not say that you should get 2 products free, because this condition should be applied for only one time. So buy 3 get 2, that's all.
Okay.
For the next 3 it should not be applied. So if that is the case, you put this way, and it is applied for one condition, or all prerequisites should be satisfied. Or if you wanted to say on a total bill value, then you put total sale, right? So here in our case, it is like you buy you can group of materials, and you can, from that materials, if you buy any 3 products, you get 2 products free. Okay, that is the condition. So ZK01 ZR. Now I'll give minimum quantity. I should buy 2. So for every 3 quantity, okay, I'll get 1 quantity free. Okay, this is how this works. So
Okay.
now I can define in this article group. Okay, now I should group the article first. I'll do bonus file news BBG1, I think, article grouping. Yeah, I'll put all the article into one group. Okay, 1005, 1006, 1015, 1016. Okay, so one quantity. Okay. Okay. So I have grouped this article. Same. Now I will give this grouping. In this chronal grouping, I have to buy minimum 2 quantities. Okay. So when I buy minimum 2 quantities, for every 3 quantities, I'll get 1 quantity free. Okay. So now in this article grouping, I will add chronal. Okay. Clear? Now I will save this. This bonus by record is saved. Now what I'll do, go to WAK2. In this proper bonus itself, I wanted to add. I go to bonus by. Okay. Now change. We should have taken it from here. Create. We should have done it from here. I'll recreate that here, so that with the same promotion it will go. See, bonus buys, whatever I created, that can be sent as an isolated manner as well, or you can put that bonus buy in a promotion, encapsulate, and send it one promotion is also. So I see in our case, what I have done is I have created one promotion, okay, and I have added for this article a special price, and in the discount what I have given, all articles under this merchandise category will get a 10%, 5% discount on a flat. This is one promotion I've created, and I've created one bonus buy where I have grouped certain articles, and from that group of articles, if you buy any 3 product minimum, you get 2 products free. That is the 2 different promotions I've created. Now, for this to activate, you need to activate this promotion. Only then this sales price will get active. You understand? For bonus buy, you will not actually create any sales price conditions or anything, but you will just push that promotion to the point of sale, right? Here as well, you will push the promotions. So 2 ways. So pushing the promotions and everything, we will see during the point of sale classes. Now I'll just show you how to create promotion and activate it. Now you go to, if you want to activate it, go to WAK5. Here you give the promotion, and here different follow-on functions. But we are not going to do everything. We are just going to simply activate the promotion because it's not a vendor offered promotion. So just click on price activation. Now you will get all the articles that are there under this. Now click on activate. Click on background price calculation. Now the price is saved. Okay. Now you go to VKP2. What is the article? 1005, correct? Now you give here five. Okay, because 5 from 5th only we activated that promotion, right? Because from sale from 5th only. So if you take from 5 to 8, it is 11. But on VKP 0, but you have a promotion which is VK 0 against this promotion. You understand?
Yep.
So that is how it is. So the new 2 different condition records are created. One with standard price. I mean, after this promotion period is over, then the normal sales price will get active, will get kicked in. Clear? Now, similarly, you get in. Now you wanted to activate this discounts, right? So for this to activate, you click on this and activate it here. Okay, for this we need to give a promotion discount. Okay, the configuration that is missing. Go to logistics general, retail promotion. Hello. Where is our promotion type? This one. So we are activating this. No, 1 minute. I'm getting a call.
Okay.
Okay. The thing is, like, when we say that any discount that we have going to create for 10% or 20%, when activate it on a flat basis, we have to capture that in a condition type, right? That is why I'm going to give one condition type, standard condition type, and save it. So now you come back. Now come back. Go to discount. Now click on material group. Click on this. Now you activate it. ZK01. அந்த பொண்ணு ஃபோன் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்குமா சாரு. The thing is, like, the thing is, like, we have created promotion. After that, we have done the configuration. I believe that's the reason it's not getting saved or activated. That's the reason. Okay. Oh shit, my bad. Sorry, I shouldn't have given here. For sales price discount, here we should give percentage discount. So here you can give AUFS is this. Similarly for AUFS. Now for absolute discount, you have to give A04. Save it. Okay. to material group, this. Now click on activate. Oh, let's do one thing. Let's not change anything here. We will go to okay. Now we'll go to discount. Go to discount. Now come here, click on this. Now click on activate. Now, yeah. The problem is like we created a promotion before the config is done, right? So that's why it's not getting affected. And for this, why it is not reflecting is like for this condition type AUFS slash n v slash vk v slash 06 condition type AUFS, right? AUFS, we don't have the access sequence. Okay. VKWG slash n v slash 07 to VKWG. Access to sales or distribution channel. What is the problem is like for sales or distribution channel merchandise category level, yes, it is there. So you should get no condition table defined for condition type A of organization level, at organization level, distribution chain, article level, and merchandise category. For this, okay, now the problem I now understand. Slash n v slash 07, okay, VKWG, right? VKWG. For this, you don't have, you need to create one more entry. We have only for sales or distribution channel merchandise category, and along with this we need to have article as well. That's what system is saying, that for that to store we don't have entry. Okay, so for this sales or distribution channel and merchandise category we have, and along with that we need article. Sales or distribution channel. Do you find any tab here? We need to find that material group and article. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's not waste time. Slash n, we'll create one table itself. Slash 08. Let's create one. Okay, what we will create? 999. Okay, what we need? We need sales or distribution channel and
merchandise category and article.
Then sales arc.
Merchandise category.
Sales arc. Where is sales arc? Sales organization. Sales org. This is the one. Distribution channel. Sales org distribution channel. Merchandise category, right? Okay. Create the table. Let's put this in one of the package. Okay, let's put it in easy. We'll put some okay, table created with 901. Okay. So it is creating a table in the database.
Okay.
Now I will have to add this table into that access sequence so that you will be able to capture that table. Right. Okay, done. Now we will go to v/07. Okay. Now we go to vkwg, right? What is that?
Yeah, PKWG.
901 we need to add. So 40. Not allowing us to change. We have to figure something else. See the new condition type and add that. Oh, standard, we are not able to make changes. I created a table, but still ZKWG. Copy all entries. This I will 40 90. Save this. what I'll do is set KWG, right? What I'll do for AUFS, I will change the access sequence. Our new asset. Okay. I'll change this so that we will. This is just a ulta way of doing it. Now, no condition table defined for condition type AUFS. Organization level, distribution chain, article level. Some problem with this condition table. Taking it up. Okay, I need to check this. Why it's not picking it up? Configuration issue.
Okay.
So if I activate it, it should activate. Why the hell it's not getting activated? Before set up the settings for defining the condition table or something. I did this activated. Then what the hell is it? I activated the condition type. /07 the KWG. Actually, the articles okay. It should be sales organization. So it's the wrong one. That's why it's not picking it up. Like that. Oh fuck. Sales organization should be. I have given sales organization of order /05 in 02. It should be sales organization, not sales organization. sales organization, then distribution channel. You find distribution channel, okay. Then material group.
Merchandise category.
Okay. Then what else we need?
Article.
Okay. Now create the table. Save it. This is 912, correct?
I think so, yeah.
Done. Okay. Now go to ZKWG access. It should be 5912, correct?
Hmm.
Now let's click on the fields. Done. Save it. WAK2. Let's try with 2 itself. Discounts. Some nonsense is sales of distribution chain. No, I'm reading correctly only, right? Material group level. I think I'll look into it, okay? I don't think I need to fix this configuration. Somewhere or other, the condition table is not getting determined correctly.
Okay.
That's it's getting issue. No condition table is defined for condition type. Let me see if I can fix with this custom condition types instead of using AUFS rather than making it. I'll try to figure that out, okay?
Okay. Did we change in AUFS? Did we change it from? Did we change it to ZKWG?
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
We did. I will change ZKWG. That's why we are getting article now. So this release status and processing status we should not get, but why we are getting, I'm not sure. I'll try to figure that out. Okay.
Okay.
I'll try to do that because we are doing it in a hurry, buddy. That's why we are missing something. So we do it in a. It's like basically we have to create sales condition table, then assign it to the access sequence. Then you need to create a correct calculation, a condition type. Then you should assign that access sequence. Then that condition type you need to assign it to the promotion type. So that's why in sequence it will work. So I'll try that sequence and I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay, cool.
For now, let's take a break.
All right.
Okay. Then tomorrow at what time you want me to we can set?
Tomorrow again 11 to 12 my time I'm booked, otherwise I'm free. So
11 to 12 is what you are booked, right? So if it is 9 means, yeah, 12:30, is it fine?
12:30 my time, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, should be fine.
Yeah, then we can meet at 12:30.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.